Even in the river you can see how hard it's raining. I don't think we'll be here much longer for the cricket this afternoon. Slowing down to the River Thames, a bit further downstream. It's getting harder, the rain. People gathering around the pavilion. I think, is that a kit going out?
Are we playing cricket?
Yeah. So here we are at Ampney Crucis, and this is about the only cricket we're going to get this afternoon. John's indoors, aiming at me because I'm annoying him. Bouncer from George. Signal was wide by the umpire. Climbing ball. Couldn't be given out.
That's caught behind, isn't it?
Bowler. Cover fielder. Actually, should we cut short leg?
George, bowler normally goes in, doesn't it?
And actually, we got a player down here. Oh, it's George.
I'll have a bowl. I'll have a bowl. I will bowl. Alright, you can bowl, you call it.
You gotta slam it in,
What should I do?
John Craig.
You can try, mate.
Short leg there.
Catch it.